Tired of feeling locked out of the real estate market just because you're not a realtor? Let's unlock some secrets. This video is your guide to accessing MLS data without needing a real estate license first. Explore public portals like Zillow, Realtor, and Redfin. These sites offer a wealth of information pulled from the MLS, including listing prices, property details, and neighborhood information. Next, consider third-party data providers. Companies like ATTOM Data Solutions and PropStream specialize in aggregating real estate data from various sources, including the MLS. While often subscription-based, they provide in-depth analytics and market trends. Real estate investment tools, such as Deal Machine or BiggerPockets, often incorporate MLS data to help you analyze potential investment properties. These platforms provide valuable insights into market values, rental income, and potential returns. Finally, think about partnering with a real estate agent. Establishing a relationship with an agent can grant you indirect access to MLS data offered to assist them with market research or property analysis in exchange for access to their MLS reports. So there you have it. Remember to explore each of these options and find the best fit for your real estate needs. Hit like and subscribe for more real estate tips.